Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cover screen is not responding after update on Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and facing the issue that your cover screen isn't responding, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing and the very best thing is to make a forced restart. You just have to use your side buttons to make a forced restart. Now for this, you just have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds. Let's start this. How to press and hold your volume down and the power button. You no need to get these icons over here. Sometimes it may open your AI assistant like your Gemini or your Google Assistant. You just have to wait for a few seconds to get the black screen and then get our Samsung logo. And once you see the Samsung logo here, just release the buttons. And now just wait for your phone until it's restart. It will make a force restart your phone, which might take longer than usual. So you just have to wait for it, and once your phone has been restarted, your issue might have been fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix if your cover screen is not responding after update and Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.